Hey Max, are you playing in the stream, you cutie? It's a blizzard. See? Look at all that. It's a blizzard. Hey Max, is that the wind? What sound does the wind make? Does it sound? Is that the sound it makes? That's the stream, all right. What's that? You having fun in the blizzard? You want to rock? I don't know. Might be tough to find. You gonna dig with your stick? Okay. Be careful. Don't walk into the stream again. Okay. Hey Max, you got some snow on your stick. Boom. Good job. Good job. That's right, snow. Hey Max, what else is happening out here? Snow? How about wind? Is there any wind? There's rocks in there, I guess. That's the stream, all right. Okay, Max. We're gonna go to the still camera. What do you think? What's that? That's right, the stream. Right, cutie? That's the stream too. There it is.